This is Torso and Systems Model Mock Practical B. There is an A version as well. This one has 3 numbers on it. There's a 1, there is a 2 down here, and then there's a 3. And I'm asking you to tell me what are these features in the comments below in YouTube. Also, there will be a link to a blog that has resources. I have videos that train the knowledge of this information. So if you feel lost in these mock practicals, then go back and listen to all of the training videos. When we look at the lungs, this is the right lung and this is the left lung. And notice that there is a line across this lung. You can't see the other one over here, lateral and kind of inferior to it. There's one line on this other lung that's kind of an oblique line. I'm asking you, what is the name of this division of the right lung? That's number 1. And then number 2, there is a muscular structure that separates the thoracic from the abdominal cavity. What is the name of that muscular structure? And then lastly, this blue tube number 3 that's coming from the neck. By the way, the blue tube kind of hidden down here is the superior vena cava, and then there are the brachiocephalic trunks that receive blood from the subclavians. And then also in this picture we can see these blue tubes coming from the neck and head. So number 3, what is that blue tube over there called?